Namaste. Welcome to the evening session of the synchronized global prayer for today. Let us invoke the wonderful energies of the Guru Parampara. Om Tadparamparaya Vidmahe Jnanalingeshwaraya Dhimahi Tanno Guruh Prachodayate. Om Yogamashra Dr. Swami Geetananda Giri Guru Maharaj Ki Jai. Join me as we perform the 27 rounds of the Bhramari Pranayam. Contemplate the beautiful energies you have evoked from within yourself. Bountiful abundance of wellness, ease, joy, harmony, balance. Such amazing positive attributes, all from within yourself. We are the master of our own destiny. The whole potential of the universe lies within us. And when we go in, when we open the windows and the doors to the inner dimensions of our very being, all the abundance of the blessings of the benevolent goddess Shri Lakshmi, the energy of prosperity, manifesting from within, abundance of all the noble qualities, abundance of genuine universal experiences, manifesting from within ourselves, hidden away in the depths, not accessed because of our ignorance. As we turn our vision inwards, as we turn the light inwards, the intuitive light enables us to see from within such amazing capacities, qualities, talents that all lie deep within us, hidden away, enabling all of them to manifest with blessings, manifest in a sense of abundance, manifest so that we can share those blessings with one another. Begin to move your fingers and rub your palms together, generating a nice warmth heat, and then placing the warmth over your eyes, the forehead and the head as you come out of this beautiful harmonious state of the Brahmari. It's an amazing practice, and the more I go into it, the more seems to come out. It's like the more you dig deeper, the greater the treasures that lie within us. I was having a beautiful conversation this morning about this, and if there is one pranayama we need to do at this point of time, I think it is the Brahmari. I just say amazing capacity for healing manifesting through this pranayama. Let us bring our hands together and make the positive sankalpa. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. A beautiful Sankalpa shared by so many across the globe. Appreciating, acknowledging, respecting, with gratitude, with admiration, and cheering on each and every one who is doing their best for humanity at this point of time, for this planet, for all the living beings on this planet. May each and every one who is doing the best be safe, be blessed, and have our support from our heartful mind and our mindful heart. That is the least we can do, is support those who are doing good, the noble souls. Let's cheer them on. We'll close with the Shanti Mantra. Tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Indian time, on the Yogic Self-Care page of Saiter, I will be sharing some of the teachings of the Gitananda tradition related to various forms of the Bastrika, and I invite everyone to join me. And also we have shared today the wonderful recording from last night of the conversation between Dr. Kaustubh Deshikachar and myself, which is a real beautiful conversation worth listening to. And today there's another live session I did with Claire in the UK, which also is come out very nice, and I've been enjoying listening to it also. Not because it is me, because nothing that I say is actually mine. We are only the vehicle, we are the conduit for these teachings to pass through us. And that is the joy, when they can pass through us in abundance. Om Loka Samasta Sukhinho Bhavantu Sarve Janaha Sukhinho Bhavantu. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om. May we all be blessed. Hari Om Tat Sat.